Figuring out the POV shit. Bum, 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 bum. Listening to some Jackson 5, doing my tires. I don't know exactly how to get the bottom shot without the head-mounted camera. I think the head-mounted camera is just going to be too alien for the old heads in the shop. Like, I think the younger people will understand. But I don't think any of the older gentlemen are gonna be okay with me walking around with a camera in my mouth. Let you go, baby, now I feel you anymore. Yeah, let's get the DOT before we forget. I'm not the technician who recommended these, so I don't have any tire information. Boom. Tires unmasked. Boom. 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 Bring them over to me, baby. Oh boy. David's coming over. Just like my granny said.
Are you making ice, Samuel?
Huh?
Are you making ice, Samuel?
Hi, baby. What's up, you sexy muffin?
So, are you making haste?
Huh?
Are you
Yeah?
making haste?
No.
Oh, unbelievable.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Give it a little wiggle wiggle. Adjust the hat. I feel like you're talking shit, but I can barely hear you behind me. So you just
I'm talking to myself on this one.
you just have fun. You just have fun talking shit over there, buddy.
What are you talking about?
I don't even know, buddy.
Okay, yeah, probably makes sense.
You're probably
You
stupid.
sound like you wouldn't know.
You're probably a stupid. Oh, you're distracting me. Oh, focusing on two things at once, three things at once. What's up, guys? Party by the tire machine?
Huh?
Party by the tire machine? Was that a record? Most definitely not. Was that vibing? For sure. Did I do it faster than the book says I should?
We got the camera, you got. How many times I gotta do? 5? You gotta do 3. I got 1.
I got 4 total because I'm doing one for Cliff, but you guys can hop in front of me on that.
Mine's not weird.
I'm gonna do my 3 and then go put them on the car and come back and do Cliff. Huh? You're not even tired, dude.
I didn't say you were.
I don't even believe it.
You slept very well.
I didn't.
Very well rested.
I'm
I
not.
know you put on this shtick that you're, oh, my back hurts, oh, I don't feel so good, oh, too many drugs. I know you don't do any of those things.
What? Have
I
pain?
know you never smoke.
You? Okay.
Yeah. That wasn't you, dude. Those videos that you showed, that wasn't you. That was someone else. That couldn't be you.
That was just some kid I have on my phone.
Yeah, his name's Tim.
Okay, for context, let's not take that one out of context.
Well, it
Just the
depends.
kid he has on his
That kid's
phone.
actually 35, dude. That video is not 12.
Kid has grown up.
That was Charlotte and you are.
I don't like you, David.
Yeah, sure. Here, bud.
Oh, find a sweet spot, baby. I almost said the meniscus. Find the meniscus. Oh, boom. One more time? Vulgarity? I'm not vulgar.
The vulgarness, yeah.
I don't say bad things about any group of people. That's loud as fuck. Oh, I have my court date tomorrow, dude.
Dude, he told me he's gonna show up. Cop's gonna show up and give you the finger guns, dude.
He's gonna give me finger guns at court. Yeah.
Pew pew.
Got into an accident. Got a court date. Called off work for tomorrow. I'm very curious on the video how long it's gonna be. What? What? That's the one I used to get them over here from the barn. They are Trejos.
Do you see the notes in there?
Yeah. I was watching their argument.
Live, dude?
Huh?
You saw live?
No.
I was gonna say, damn, dude, I was like, man, what's going on with these guys?
Well, I was trying to see what.
If I was a customer, I'd be upset. It's like, fuck you, Bill.
I understand. I would be mad too.
Yeah, she has dog shit insurance. She can't get a loaner.
She's dog shit insurance, and our communication here sucks dick. And it's your fault specifically.
I've been asking every day.
I send you a message, but I've never actually fucking walked over there. You're in a separate building, but that's not my problem. And since it's not my problem, I'm not going to make the effort to walk over there and have a conversation with you.
It's been a minute. They used to look at
Well, I remember when I first started and Bill had came over and I was doing a tire and he looked at me weird and I was all intimidated and you were like, that's Bill, dude. I don't give a, like, you were like, don't give a fuck, dude. Why would you care about Bill? Because he looked all scary with his clipboard and his iPad. Ah. Well, my experience up to that point with advisors had been like Lonnie Hobson coming over like in his weird little zip up, and then Bill came over in his dress shoes and everything. In his super official looking coffee cup. That guy just looks like he means business. Oh, I got another one for you, my friend. Oh, that's another one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's another one.
It's like, I just puncture the tire. I'm like, well, guess what? He was down.
Yeah?
Time to run it back, as they say.
Well, good thing I have it on recorded 4K footage.
Yeah,
I bet you.
Sure.
Alright, you're right. I'm not recording in 4K right now.
It's just a camera with a red light blinking.
It's literally just a battery with that blinks. It's just enough room for a double A.
Alarm clock.
Yeah.
Show the time.
Well, it's one of those things that show your emotions. The little like emotion ring. Red means I want to fuck, David. Right now. See? David wants it. I'm sorry, Cliff, you're next up. I had a little bit of a queue right before you. This is my last of the 4, and then I've got yours.
Yeah, I think there's
Yeah, I'll do the resale if it's required, but I'll keep you updated. Thank you. Sorry it's taking so long. Listen, David. I grew up in a household where... Listen, I grew up in a household...
I don't care. Cliff. You know what happened to the last guy?
Because of the way I grew up.
The last guy, that's what you said. Cliff fucking drop kicking his chest.
Yeah?
He was just working on his car doing a regular roll-up, and he just fucking Cliff just from the top rails, dude, just decked on the
That was the last time they had apprentices in the shop. That's actually why they stopped having apprentices besides with Luis. Cliff killed the last kid.
Yeah, dude. It's like Chuck Norris.
Oh, I lost my other bar, David. My cheater bar.
Oh, boy.
My secret to life. The left one is, you know, that's one everybody knows about. This right bar, that's the secret. You ever struggled with the tires?
Him in one of his drawers.
In his piss drawer?
No, he's there. One of his, you know, like where the fridge is at. He lives there, but no one ever gets to see him.
I see. I'd keep him in the piss drawer. If I were Cliff.
Can you imagine you're like, hey, can you get this one? Can you get this one till when you open up the drawer and it's just a bunch of cups with piss?
Nah, it's fuel samples, dog.
Hey, fuel samples?
Fuel samples, dude. It's for fuel trims. Don't you know?
That way it resembles the piss like,
Yeah, it's like a piss like amber. It's like an amber, aroma. I see. In my situation, the jars would be closed.
I feel like you're a jar's half open kind of guy.
No, I'd have it set up with like, you know, the old white dudes that's like the middle-aged white men that make beer in their garage, like a little homemade distillery.
No.
I'd have like the tubes and the little like separators and.
You got that one? There's a person hooked up there and they're extracting the piss, or is it?
No, why would no? I removed the person from the scenario. I'm just focusing on the piss drawer now. No, a guy can be there, but
the fucking wall and it's just hooked up.
I didn't take my last picture, you little fucking scoundrel. He's distracting me. See, David,
What?
if I wasn't recording, how would I get conversations like this?
What do you mean?
Oh, I'm recording you right now, without your consent.
Not my consent.
Do I have to ask for your consent to record you?
Probably.
Really?
I mean, yeah, there's no tree. It's like, hey, I'm just some person in the background 500 feet away. Yeah, maybe you don't need to come by and ask my information for that 2-second amount of footage. But if it's over like this and you're just constantly berating me?
I am not constantly berating you. What? But I'm facing the other way. So.
That's what you want me to believe.
Yeah. Okay, kid. Gotta be nice to the sensor and then kill it. Save one sensor a day. Alright, Cliff. Let's see how your tire's looking, my friend. Oh yeah?
I put a couple of weights inside the wheel. You know, get a noise complaint going. Like, I have no idea what and this and that. I'm sorry. I'll fix it for you.
Just like put a little note that just says like "fuck you, idiot" on the inside.
Yeah.
It just says "gay idiot" on the inside.